stupidity. The majority of these vloggers are idiots.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
These idiots literally sit here daily and come and spew all of the stupidity on the internet, and so much of idiots run go over there and subscribe and like. Oh no, waste no sub. You know, I need to set and start up my YouTube. I need to start up my YouTube now. I need to hurry up and start up my YouTube now. Because money I make over there off a fuckery.
I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox, how the latest news them lock.
Wagwan, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. People, boy, may I tell you, say, the one touch, me touch, Triple X, the man a crash out pan the media, people, may I tell you. Triple X, bro, we understand that, we understand. You say some madness and we'll beat you for that. Nothing wrong. But yeah, crash out, dog. No, brother. I can't believe this. You see me? But we're going here with Triple X, I say, cause you don't know Media Fox go to work already. See? But here must say people.
Stupidity. The majority of these vloggers are idiots. If you are going to look at somebody and say, you paved your own way. I'm going to say, your fans are only your fans. And then, what you mean by we are those Alkaline fans like so we love man? We just anybody from an artist, this our artist, we just done with them. Now that you are bumbucklad, so me say. You are going to say, from somebody this Alkaline, we done with them. So when me say Alkaline fans only rate Alkaline, aren't you cementing what I just said?
But brother, them at the end of the day, yeah, make it sound. Remember, say you try to change the thing now, bro. The fact of the matter is that you found out and say Alkaline is not. You don't see him as a dancehall artist. And then you say Alkaline Fanbase and a dancehall. You understand? It's not dancehall fans. At that, we are addressing a brother. You don't know how you gone from this fans and dissing artists. Yes, them rate Alkaline. You understand? Them a listen other artists' music. You see it, I saw it go at disrespect. If them this Alkaline, so it go. Is what I try to say, go with everybody, brother, go with every fan base, bro. So stop make it look like say a vendetta fans alone stay so. Remember your Gaza man, you know. You see me? If any artist this cartel, see, after Gaza fans them now go on meds them and them now go listen to them song. You understand? I saw it go, brother. But y'all call out vendetta people and make it look like say vendetta people and are the worst and them do all of this. You see me? But here we must say people.
Aren't you literally cementing what I literally said when I say Alkaline fans are only Alkaline fans, when you are going to go in the comment section and say a fuckery attack? Oh, you mean Alkaline fans only rate Alkaline? Will this...
Brothers, and I see him with Gaza, brother. I see him with Gaza. Gaza fans him, a cartel fans him. Are the same thing, some don't know what the difference.
Every artist, but from them, this Alkaline, we done with them. Aren't you fucking co-signing what it is that I just say? Somebody say, alright, somebody say, if me say Alkaline is not a dancehall artist, explain that. Me explain it what here with the...
People, remember, you know, man say him don't see Alkaline as a dancehall artist. Look what the man I got do. For explain. I don't know which road or monument road him gone down pan. Listen.
Bumbucklad picture them and with the tile them. With the tile them. See, me explain it with the tile them. And
so listen to people. That's why you see more why when them man attack. Them just fall pan the media and not shame themselves. Remember people, him say yo, him don't see Alkaline as a dancehall artist. So look how him I go explain why him don't see that Alkaline as a dancehall artist. Come in know with. Just listen people.
I wanna say. I'm going to use the visual aid one more time for the people in the back. For the people in the back, please come to the front. If this is dancehall, if this is a physical representation of dancehall, this is dancehall before Alkaline. This is a physical representation of what dancehall was before Alkaline, before Vendetta. In this dancehall, there were pillars of dancehall, or there were subsets of dancehall. This entire thing, where you see different peaks and valleys, this is a physical representation of what dancehall was before Alkaline. This would have been Gaza, this would have been Gully. This would have been Alliance, this would have been other subgroups around it. And this entirety would have been what the representation of what dancehall was. Now in dancehall, there were certain rules and regulations that did not allow certain types of artists to come.
But brother, you are show a different shape and all of these things. Bro, you have to remember, say, the CM Alliance was the CM fans of Cartel and Movado, bro. Some don't know what the difference of them square and all of them little thing there, brother. First of all, it start off from under one umbrella. You see me and tell them split up. You see it. I just start, brother. So I don't understand with this. Back in the days, it was Alliance. And then the man them branch off. You see it.
And each artist, for you to get a bus, you would have to pledge allegiance to either Gully, Gaza, Alliance, either Beanie Man Latin or somebody else co-sign you. You have the Zip Jacks them down here, so IRFM, you have Mellow FM and all of them other station there, but would have to pull you in to dancehall. Then you'd have to select them over one part where selectors will have to introduce you into the street of dancehall for you to come to be a part of dancehall. Now, let us say that hypothetically or figuratively or metaphorically, this was Alkaline trying to enter dancehall. When Alkaline tried to enter dancehall, he couldn't enter from the side of radio because radio DJs refused to play his music. He couldn't enter through any crew because he was not pledging allegiance to either Gully, Gaza, or Alliance or any other factions in dancehall. None of the selectors were willing to play him because some of the controversial lyrics and the controversial things that they said. The church, everybody was against Alkaline, so he could not get into dancehall.
Bro, stop it, brother. Stop it. Where you thought this are madness? First of all, bro, from Alkaline forward with the black eye, bro. Seeing and them ask him the question about Cartel and the youth say, yeah, him rate Cartel like any, him respect Cartel like any other artist, brother. And from this, bro, you understand? And all who DJs where did I say Gaza and them little thing there, brother. Them never did a run with Alkaline like that, bro. Remember Usain Bolt we say Gaza forward out all up. I think up to Mondays and a pay boom boom say yo. Him no want to hear now Alkaline. Play some Cartel. Remember that, bro. You see what I try to say? So me don't know. And this where your status, brother, it's still not correcting the argument where you try to say. You say you don't see Alkaline as dancehall artist. What this have to do with Gaza and Alliance and Bounty and all of them something. That where you do not signify nothing, brother. It not do nothing, bro. You understand? Because at the end of the day, bro, dancehall is music, brother. It's music. The industry of music, bro. You see me? I say it go. Some don't know what you mean by this and end time. That not signify nothing when it comes to Alkaline being a dancehall artist. You see me? So where you are trying the point where you pull cross, so I don't understand that.
So what Alkaline decided to do, the only person who was from mainstream dancehall who had any affinity to Alkaline was DJ Sunshine. Was the only person who had any affinity. The problem with this, most of these Alkaline fans are just, they are not, they're the people who are stating that they are vendetta. They are not true Alkaline fans because they do not know the history of their artists and they don't know the history of the genre of music that they are trying to force themselves onto. No. This is dancehall with all of its different facets. This is Alkaline trying to make a submergence or insurgence into dancehall. When the door of all of dancehall did a lock for Alkaline and a lock out Alkaline. So what did Alkaline do? Alkaline stayed in his own side apart from dancehall and created his own lane. Create theme own lane. He never get no cosign from nobody. The music when I sing, yes, the music and of itself would be of dancehall beat. But the whole foundational concept, the foundational concept of what dancehall is, did not accept him. So he had to force to expand dancehall. So said this was dancehall, he had to expand dancehall to create an own lane for himself. From the lane that he created from himself, a whole entire subgenre, and he gave room to several other artists. If it wasn't for artists like Alkaline, if Alkaline is the first artist where every gatekeeper locked the gate on him and him bust by himself. Basically, this man was seen by everybody else in the dancehall as the antichrist, as the anti-dancehall. For the people who does not know theology or philosophy, you wouldn't understand this. Alkaline was the antichrist, but this is how them see him over here, so, as the antichrist for dancehall, where he gave rise to an entire new faction of dancehall, creating his own faction, creating other parts for all of the.
So you just say now, him a create him own faction of dancehall. So how you are gonna say you don't see him as a dancehall artist? People, you know, listen, you see the man just chat a whole bag of crap a while ago. The people them ask if he explain, but you say him create a own faction of dancehall, but you don't see him as a dancehall artist. That not make no sense, bro. It not make no sense, brother. No matter what you try to do, brother, it not go the way you want, bro. Alkaline is a dancehall artist, brother. Him just create a lane where you don't need the system thing in the music. Forget yourself out there for people listen to your music, or you see me? Get to whatever place him want go. Him never use and go through that channel there where enough of the artists would have go through for reach where him there. We understand with that. But the fact of the matter is, Alkaline is a dancehall artist. You are say you don't see him as a dancehall artist, but you are say him create him own fracture of dancehall or whatsoever. It not make no sense, bro.
The people who would have previously been alienated by this part of dancehall to create your own another subgenre or another playing field or another field or another arena for dancehall to be expanded. That is what the man was. And if you do not understand that, I cannot explain it any fucking simpler to you. Uno cannot be that stupid. Uno cannot be that stupid, brother. And this is the reason why people feel like we as dancehall fans are dunce. This is why people feel like I be an idiot listen dancehall music.
But brother, you just cramp your style a while ago. So people, the person them ask him, explain why you say you don't see Alkaline as a dancehall artist. Then the man come back now and say, yo, Alkaline create a different fracture for himself in a dancehall. No dancehall artist that, brother. Or that the people them a try ask, you know. Everybody know where Alkaline do. Yes, everybody see the youth forward in a game and create him own part. And other artists in the game see that and do the same thing. Them not go through no goalie, them not go through no Gaza thing, them not go through whatever system they did where you have to go through for get the highlight, the brother. You understand? But the fact of the matter is, everybody has say why you say him fans them and a dancehall fans. And him fans and him and a dancehall, you know, see him as a dancehall artist. Simple, brother. I don't know where you go for this and that and end up just cramp yourself there, so brother. You see me? That not signify nothing to the question being asked about Alkaline being a dancehall artist, bro.
You idiot listen music. Because una listen to the stupidest people them. Una run back at the foolest people them. Where the only thing surface level, them only look and say, okay. Alright, I'm music. Alright, him a sing music. Alright, him boss now, him accepted. And I say go. Not because you become successful. The thing that was shutting you out. Not because you become successful, that automatically means that you are one of them. You are not one of them. You are your own entity. You are your own entity. And it is ridiculous that these idiots literally sit here daily and come and spew all of this stupidity.
So look here now, people. Got you where them forward out, you know. I'm going to expose him. So him forward and I comment, attack one bag of thing and say me done. So that's why now you see him forward on the media crash out. You understand? But I know him can't explain why Alkaline is not a dancehall artist. Him don't see him as a dancehall artist. Because everybody knows that if I'm a regular dancer, the youth do. Me no know Alkaline do no other genre, bro. We understand what you say Alkaline create him own lane in a dancehall, him own channel. You understand? Which other artists see that and create them own a thing off of Alkaline do. You understand? Rather than, yo, Cartel I'm artist, Gaza me say, yo, Bounty I'm artist, Alliance, or Movard or whatsoever. You see it? We understand with that, but that not change the fact that the man is still a dancehall artist, brother. You see me? Because everywhere I'm going in the world is dancehall. Me don't know if Alkaline doing no R&B or no hip hop or no Afrobeats or reggaeton. You understand? If you put Seam under any category, if you type in him name, you go see dancehall and reggae. So me don't know where you try say, brother. Is it?
And the internet and so much on idiots run go for the and subscribe and like. Oh no, waste no sub. You know, me need to sit and start up my YouTube. Me need to start up my YouTube now. Me need to up and start up my YouTube now. Cause money I make over there for
People. It's so making man cash out, dog. Triple X, bro. Me don't know why everybody media cash out in the dog. I saw it go, brother. I saw it go. You just see a madness on the internet. I will just correct it. You know if you cash out, so dog. Yeah, man. Start a YouTube channel, man. Start a YouTube channel, brother. You see me? I saw it go, bro. You see, cause what you are say I done, son Ray, brother. You see me? That's your opinion. You see it?
half a fuckery. Hey, what going, baby? Me need to start out my YouTube so I can make some of that handicap money up too. Because if uno follow fucker so easily, if uno is so easily swayed by idiots, if and you know the hottest part about it, the man them have be a picture around and them just talking in the background and when them attack, you can hear the cockiness in them voice, like them so arrogant, like them swear say what them attack makes so much sense. And anybody will have even the slightest level of understanding can say
People. Yo, I can't believe some media facts make him a balls at a bombard. Bro, judge a youth. Me I tell you that. Brother, start your channel, man. Start your channel, dog. You see me? Just start your channel, brother. You see me? Yeah.
see a fucking foolish, but it's because so much idiot they out there in the world, them get a platform. So it's like blind a lead blind, fool a lead fool. Fool a lead fool. These people who are on YouTube and claim that they are content creators and vloggers are just a bag of fucking nerds.
Yo, man, I tell you to Mumba people, YouTube nice. Man, I tell you, YouTube nice people. Yo, I can't believe we have a there crash out, bro. Jano Triple X. I tell you, brother. Jano, bro. I saw it go, brother. You just say a thing and you get a random, brother. I just one of them thing there, bro. Cause for a man like you, I found out, bro. I say, yo, you know, see Alkaline is a dancehall artist and Alkaline fans is not dancehall fans, bro. That a madness. You could have used a better context, brother. You see me? Use something different. But it can't take away the artist and him fans and a dancehall. You see me? That's the problem, bro. You see it? And I saw it go, brother. Because the people that asked you a while ago, and you still don't clearly explain. You see me? You still not explain, bro. You see it? What you do a while ago with the black thing, them, it's still not explain if Alkaline is a dancehall artist or what. Not because Alkaline don't take the normal route of going to these scams and them highlight him means that he's not a dancehall artist, brother. Him just create a different path. You understand? Just that, him just create a different lane, a own a lane for fame. And so other artists see it and follow. I saw it go, bro. You see me? See him like with Massacre. Massacre in the game, how long him a link with Conscience, him a link with this and rare, him couldn't get no break. Until Alkaline forward in the game and open that doors there. You understand? If you say, yo, you don't need them people. And then people start looking to young artists. Say, yo, them can do it by themselves now. I saw come Massacre bus. Because Massacre get the break 2 years after Alkaline. Him in a game, how long him they run. JOP, him they run Conscience. Him want an artist, him they run and top producer and all of them look thing there. Him still could get the break. After Alkaline bus. And the whole young artists, them have all Gage and Tamily and him found out to call Alkaline name. And that give him the break. Because everybody start looking now. Because Alkaline, film name a call up with Cartel, Black Eye Ball, everything. So once them call him name, it'll give them a highlight. Yeah, and so people start looking into it and say, yo, them youth can come do it too. You see me? I just that, bro, just different lane. You see me? No means that the artist is not a dancehall artist, fam.
I want to say nerd, I mean nerd in a good form like nowadays. I talk about nerd, like from in my day, where you're a nerd, where you're just socially awkward, you have the inability to interact with people on a day-to-day basis. So you go in your own little corner and go chat and try to create a narrative that paints you as somebody who is cool or in the know when you're a fucking idiot. You don't go anywhere, you don't experience anything first, and every experience you have is from the comfort of your, wake all this now, your office chair or your computer screen. So you're a fucking spectator, and you as a fucking tourist, I will tell we where I live the culture, what the culture is. You're a fucking spectator, is a tourist. 90% of them vlogger, them is fucking tourists.
Yo, I can't Triple X in my feelings, bro. I saw some of my guys, man, them stay still. You see me? Yeah. Man in my feelings, dog. General Triple X, I just one of them thing, the dog. You forward out and say madness, yeah, and rebuttal it. I just one of them thing, there, brother. You see me? What you say, you know you say wrong thing, but you try defend it. I just say one of them thing, there, brother. But people, big up on yourself, when you don't know one media facts money happy, yeah, man. That is it.